This is our Automated Soda Fountain Dispenser. Let's start with the tank. It's a 1.8 liter aluminum tank, pretty cylindrical. You can see that there's a pump at the bottom, and it pushes against gravity up into a capacitance meter, which is basically our measuring cup. That's the method that we've been using to determine the volume that our device can dispense. So, Johnny.
So you can choose between either dispensing in milliliters or percentage of the capacitance meter inside. And you can also, there's an emergency switch to turn off the pump. So it's to start by having it in milliliter mode. And we're going to enter 250 to start. And an error occurs because the total volume allowed is 200 mils. So it resets, and you enter something lower than 250. So I enter, say, 100. Press enter. Now the servo closes, pinches off the tube, and the pump will pump water from the tank into the capacitance meter in the center here. And so the servo doesn't allow water to drip into the cup. But I can turn the pump off midway. And right now, I can restart it from the same spot.
And as you can see inside of our box, the capacitance meter is filling up. It's hard to see, but the water level is rising. As the water level is rising, the capacitance between the two plates is increasing.
And now that it's finished filling capacitance meter, it's in the dispensing mode. So the servo opens and dispenses the total volume inside the capacitance meter into the cup. Now if I pick the cup up midway, the servo will close because the cup's not detected. So I have to put the cup back down and press reset. And then the leftover water in the capacitance meter will drain into the cup. Now this also works for percentage, and you enter the percentage in decimal form. So say if you want 50%, you enter 050. So just to show, press enter. Actually, start before it says press enter. You have in percentage mode, and then you enter a value, and it will do the same process as in milliliters. And it displays temperature of the water inside the tank. You might not have been able to see it, but there's actual temperature sensor in the very bottom of the tank, connected to a ADC in the top half.
Lastly, this Numpad that we have here, we built by ourselves. So here's the circuit, basically an array of push buttons, and on the front we just 3D printed our own molding. And this is our faculty, our department, electrical and computer engineering at UBC. Added a little touch to that.